Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast.
Today is Thursday, October 6, 2022.
Please stand to join me in the Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Stand, salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Please remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated.
Today's weather: high of 87, low of 58, sunny, 5% chance of rain.
Today's breakfast is toast and sausage, scrambled eggs, fruit, and juice.
Today's lunch is jambalaya, green beans, garden salad, a roll, fruit, and juice.
Today's announcements. Please post attendance between 8:20 and 8:30.
Grades: please print weekly grade books for each course or keep an update electronic copy each week, just in case.
There will be no library or technology classes this week. They will resume on October 10th.
Today's late duty is Ms. Hatcher.
Important dates. October 7th is United Way out of uniform for $2 and the end of first quarter. October 10th is a teacher workday. October 11th, second quarter begins. October 14th is a fifth grade field trip to Davidson. October 17th through 21st is the book fair. October 17th is the Red Cross Bloodmobile. October 21st is Kona Ice, and October 24th through 28th is Red Ribbon Week.
Happy birthday. Thursday's birthday is Aaliyah Frank and Erin Mitchell. Sorry if I pronounce anybody's names wrong.
Send us your question of the day. Are you curious about something? Always wonder how something works? Send us your question, and it may be chosen for our question of the day to be answered by our research team. You can submit questions to the question box that will be located in the library.
That's all for today's news. Have a happy Thursday.